What's up, everybody? It's a lovely Sunday afternoon out here in the Duke County. You'll see what the horses are up to, and when they see me, they'll come running up. I'll show you. Just walking up the hill. There they are. There they are. Hello, everybody. They saw me. Hello, everybody. You guys coming? Huh? I seem to really like that back corner. It's probably because I get some shade from that trailer. Come on. Oh, they'll come running up any minute. Oh, he was coming. He's thinking about it. Come on, Chief. Big Chief there. He's the leader. He's got to be first. Sometimes the mare will come first, but then Chief will have to catch up and get in front of her. It's pretty funny. And, you know, over the years, they're so familiar with me that they know when I'm here, they're probably going to go get some treats. So they'll usually come right up to me. I don't usually have to chase them. Come on, Chief. Here comes the mare. Oh. Come on, guys. There. Oh, Chief's running up. Come on, you lazy horses. You can hear some sort of bird of prey flying around the farm here. I'm not sure what it is. It's either a peregrine falcon or a red-tailed hawk. Those are the two primary bird of preys in the area. Shot is. He's just over here. I doubt you see him. Just above the tree line there. Yeah, he's having a good old time. Come on, Chief. Come on, Missy. They're just taking their time. Taking their time. There, see, now Chief, he's got to be up front. Here he comes. No, I'm the boss. Hello, Chief. Hey, Ranger. Missy. There's Scooty. Hello. Ah, how's it going? I know there's treats. I know there's treats. Hey, Scooty. What's up? Yeah, everybody gets it's treat time. I usually just feed these guys just rolled oats. No molasses in it. They really enjoy it. I read somewhere that not only does it massage their esophagus, but also kind of massages their bowels. Cleans up any blockages. Poor Ranger, look at his tail. The newest dog that we got decided to chew some of his tail off, and now he can't whip away flies. Poor boy. Oh, everybody, you guys messed up the order. Cherokee, you're supposed to be over there. This isn't your spot. No. Come on, go to your spot. Go to your spot. There you go. And kick the mare out of it. The mare can go over there, and then Scooty, you can come over to your spot. Oh, you guys. No. No. Missy. You can go to your spot over there. Go over there. Hey. Fine then. I mean, this works. I have 4 horses, 5 troughs. So, because they always tend to chase each other around and around and around. So there's always that one extra that they can go to. Seems to work. Right, Missy? Huh. Give these guys a nice little brush while they're eating. Oh. Everybody's done over on that side. I'm gonna finish up this side. And you are just a big meanie. Chasing away your buddy. Hey boys. Hey, quit chasing away. Quit chasing them away, you big bitch. Gosh, you're such a bitch. What are you such a meanie for? Hey. Horse butts. Horse butts. Where are you guys going? Oh, you're such a bitch. Just chases them away. Some good water, Ranger. Tasty stuff. Funny. Everybody's got their treats. Everybody got a bit of a brush. These guys are just picking up the scraps. And they're probably going to head back out into their field and go hang out. Maybe Ranger will stick around. Stick around and hang out. It's a little windy out here. These guys are get a little antsy in the wind. Yesterday it wasn't as windy and they stuck around for quite a bit longer. But they probably want to go somewhere where the wind doesn't bother them as much. Hey buddy, what's in there, Chief? Pretty sure it's empty. Pretty sure it's empty, Chief. Hey buddy. Hey. What's up? Hey, Chief. Funny boy. Going for a roll? Oh yeah. Going for a good old roll. Oh yeah, makes it all the way around. Oh, so funny. Good old shake. Of course, right after I brushed him. That's always how it goes. Hey Chief, that was pretty good. Alrighty. Everybody's done with treats. Everybody's done with treats and they're gonna go back and go do horsey things, like eat grass. And then eat some more grass. What? Scooty's is out there all alone, hanging out on his hill, just watching, just chilling. Hey, Scooty. Hey, Missy. Go ahead. What's this? Well, and the horses are off to go do horsey stuff. Nice little visit. I'm gonna go do some gardening. Well, I started pulling some weeds, some grass, but there's some seeds that I've planted that I'm gonna have to wait until they actually pop up. So I know I'm not pulling the plant, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. I plowed my rows, pulled a couple weeds, and now to conclude my Sunday at the farm, I'm probably gonna go hang out with the dog a little bit. Cheers.